extremely heavily influenced by good old Mitch Altman. I don't know if you guys know about Mitch, but he basically developed this device called a mind machine, which wasn't his originally. There was research before him, but he made it open source and freely available to people by showing them online a quick lesson about how to turn this little microcontroller into one of these machines. And so I'll pass this one around first. I'm turning it on. You can see in one side of the glasses, this LED is blinking. On the other side, this LED is blinking, but at a slightly different rate. So when I put these glasses on and close my eyes, my mind's making up the difference. Now, I'm also going to put on the earbuds, which has audio with the same differential occurring. And so I'm seeing lights. I'm seeing patterns. It's really fun. OK, I'm going to pass these around. This is for the purist. OK, so any purist out there? Wow. This is my contribution to this research, which is instead of it just being a device to cause these audio-visual sensations, disorientation or hallucination, I'm working on the terms. They're not defined perfectly for me yet. It's also augmented. So when I put these on, I can still see you guys, which means that when I put the headphones on, it's kind of tricky. You should put the glasses on first. And it's much more amplified, but this is a very intense experience. Like, my eyes are open now, and I'm still experiencing these events, but I can see you. And so it's an augmented visual disruption. It's really, really fun.
Just close your eyes.